Releasing dopamine, dopamine.
What's up guys, about Sinus came in the building, like, comment and subscribe. Wagwan peeps, are we there with another?
Why you do it, John Cross?
Bang! But as usual guys, right before getting it, just remember to like, comment, share and subscribe because it really help out the Jamaican YouTuber for sure. But anyway peeps, no more itching. Happy New Year to all your beautiful ENT family peeps. Yeah, from the boy Sinus, from Team Sinus to y'all people. Yeah man, hope you enjoy the Christmas holiday. You know what I mean? All if you go through something right now, just go and hold the faith. We're there. You know what I mean? Go and press and don't give up. But I just hope the very best for 2021. You know what I mean? So once you're alive, endless possibility because God is alive. You know what I mean? Make we get right tonight. Big up on yourself. Alright peeps, here we are going right now. So if you live under a rock and you don't know that you see about the music, I gotta tell you, you see about love music apart from tracks, football, cricket, all them other little thing there where I'm passionate about. And him release some tracks in the past and him doing thing, you know what I mean? One and two of them did kick off and thing, you know what I mean? Have a little buzz and so. But recently him drop a new song with him bridging named NJ that's called Living the Dream. And pretty much the music video or the song I tell you where you see him both and NJ come from. You know, you see him both being the country youth, you know what I mean? NJ coming from a poor background too, you know, both of them pretty much, and where they are right now, living the dream, and it's inspire people, right? Boom. Let me even show some behind the scene too with him and him girlfriend Casey. I listen to the song and I vibe to the song, you know, and they are bubble and go on. But Popcorn now comment on the thing. I will go read over here so and listen to what Popcorn say. With all due respect, legend, I feel like if we just help some youth with real musical talent. Them they enough. NG and my family, but please, just give some hungry youths who actually have talent that platform there. Happy New Year. So, it spark one bag of thing on the internet and people I say one bag of thing. Some people I say if the man this the legend, some people I say yo, him shouldn't say that, him shouldn't say it a different way and stuff like that. So when it costs all of that, Popcorn come back again on him Instagram and this is what Popcorn say. Me don't say when me say and me no BC sorry. Man just tell the world say him don't say what him say and him not care. He might just be real and tell you same about what go on. Now, what are your thoughts on the matter? You know what I mean? Tell me your thoughts. Me I gotta just tell you my 2 cents quick. My thoughts on the matter is this. You understand where Popcorn I come from? I may see say you see him both do him thing in terms of him passion and him love do it still. Popcorn, there are certain things that Popcorn should not fix and say still because they kind of come off offensive still. I not tell no lie still. You know what I mean? So, I don't know. You kind of come off offensive still and if you just respond off an impulse, you go feel say this, Popcorn or this still. I guess Popcorn should not say, yo, you see him boy, like how you do the music. I mean, you do the thing. And you have the big platform. Create something on the side to we can help some little young artists since you're passionate about that while you go and do your thing, you know what I mean? And stuff like that. That's what me think Popcorn should not say still, but you know what I mean? And then it kind of embarrassing, kind of load it up on the internet still, so probably both feel all a way about that still. But anyway, let me know your thoughts on the whole matter down below about it. Is it that Popcorn this you see him both, or am I talk the facts in terms of certain little thing? You know what I mean? So, I don't know, maybe them could not just have a talk one away. You know what I mean? I never have to put it there so still.
Shamai, you think it's fair to have your vibrator plug in here? Over 2 days now charge. Shamai, you know how much kilowatt of electricity that this is one charger, this is one printer you take up?
Oh!
This is one vibrator you charge you 48 hours. Buy back me light. Your vibrator is just to please you, it's not pleasing me. My click the one place and intact, I'm serious.
Why you do it?
This pay the bill, pay the light bill. Vibrator charge 48 hours. How we are doing that the vibrator this song? Eh? Shama, you threw your powers that your vibrator takes 48 hours to charge the money in your click. You don't think it's illegal? Shama, buy back me life. You know how much kilowatt that your vibrator just took out of my life? You want to the fact that JPS I want all.
Abunda la caca.
What did she just say? 48.
Get out of blood control now this a place and you look here. Look here. Pussy clad. Watch out.
Oh!
Glad. Watch it.
Oh shit, you got Rona.
I do?
Yeah.
What is it?
1-on-1.
No way.
Yeah, what the fuck? Hold on.
You sure?
Let me find out. Let me see. Yeah. What the fuck?
Run.
Alright peeps, that was a short one. I know it's not too long and thing, but guess what? We'll keep the pot bubbling, and for this year team, I go work on some things. You know what I mean? So, don't know about that fret. I know digital have me out a road enough and thing, but I may try to juggle the second channel too, which is my gaming channel. A whole heap of things. But may I put in the effort, put in the work and thing. But no worry on yourself, I go work on some new ideas and some new things just to keep the pot bubbling. But anyway peeps, I just want to tell the people that are truly rock with me. Happy New Year, all the very best for 2021. Shout outs to Psychotic Genius, shout outs to DVR Army, Mr. and Miss Diver, the whole DVR squad, Stone, Adachi, Eliminator, the whole peeps. Everybody will follow me. Jacqueline, big up yourself. You know what I mean? Mr. Williams, BYC, yo, big up the whole squad. I can't remember everybody, a whole heap of them. But bless up. Thank you very much for the support. And just go and pray for me. You know what I mean? That something good can happen and I can elevate the thing, because I really want we thing get bigger, you know, our thing, because our thing, team sign us get bigger and things. So thank you very much. See you next day again. And just go on journey with your boy.
No matter how the time get hard, man, I go flip the paper. Like COVID could slow, we don't go stop the bricks for later. Fire the devil cause it real and you're not miss a maker. Big up the